here we are kind of in week 4, and we're going to talk a little bit about tonight. We're going to sort of be making the transition from sort of some of the research we've been doing into starting to write some of the story writing pieces of this one. So let me shut this so we have a little less noise. We're sort of on the we're sort of moving into this place where we want to start to think about, all right, like we have to write a book, so we probably should start thinking about how we actually write, because that's partially what we're going to do. So we're going to talk tonight a little bit more about the idea behind how we start to tell stories and give you some tools and techniques about it. We'll talk a little bit about kind of getting yourself ready to start to write, because we sort of start a sprint for the next sort of like 10 to 12 weeks, honestly, where it's just going to be focusing on writing raw content. So we're going to spend some time tonight talking a little bit about how to start to think about, getting ourselves organized, getting ourselves structured a little bit. And then really next week, we're going to start talking about some of the tactics to help us write a little bit. And so we'll talk about some of those places.